Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the inner door panel in the Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a number 2 square bit screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new inner door panel. The inner door panel, together with the outer door panel, holds the glass and also seals the washer when the door is closed. If the inner door panel is damaged or cracked, causing the door not to close and a water leak, it should be replaced. We will start with removing the door from the cabinet. Open the door. Please note the position of the door glass. If you can see that the thicker part is at the bottom. That's how we're going to put it back in when we're going to reassemble the door. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws that mount the door hinge. And removing the bottom screw, hold the door so it would not snap. Now lift it up and take it off the hook at the top of the hinge. Now I'm going to put it on a workable surface. We need to take out all of the screws around the inner door. We're going to use a number 2 square bit screwdriver. Pull out the latch and then separate the inner and outer doors. Push it from inside. And lift it off. This is the old inner door panel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. At the end of the repair, I recommend you to peel off those 2 labels and place them onto the new inner door panel. Install the inner door on the top, match all the holes and secure the halves together with the number 2 square bit screws. Bring the door to the washer. Hang the hook at the top of the door hinge onto the cabinet. Align the holes and secure the hinge to the cabinet with the 3 screws using the number 2 square bit screwdriver. And now we can close the door. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.